Hey everyone, greetings for the day. I'm Neha, life coach and law of attraction coach. Guys, it's our third day where we people are going to take our journey of law of attraction quite ahead. So, yesterday I talked about frequency and energy. So, today let's understand how law of attraction works for every single person. Guys, as I told you that our thoughts create our energy. So, our thoughts, our beliefs, our actions, and last but not the least, our feelings are supposed to be extremely strong to get something in our life. Just the thing is that if you have doubt about something, whether it will happen or not, law of attraction doesn't work there. Because if you are not extremely clear in your mind that what you want and what you don't, then universe also will not understand that. So guys, our clarity of thoughts only can get the clear energy, only can create the clear energy, and only that energy can attract something which you want. Guys, do you know positive frequency and negative frequency both can make difference in your law of attraction journey. If you have strong thoughts, strong feelings, strong beliefs, and if you are taking action towards the same, then only law of attraction can works for you. As I ask you that how it will work in your life. So let me just tell you that if you wish to start really working on yourself, on your frequency, so the first thing which you have to clear from your mind, and that's doubt. Before doing anything, do not have doubt that whether it will be completing or not, whether it will work for me or not. Guys, with a clear mind, if you are thinking something, it will 101% will come to you. Otherwise, it won't. Because clarity is very important in law of attraction. Whatever you want, whatever your dreams are, for completing your dreams, you must have four things, and this is the formula of law of attraction. Number first, your feelings, your beliefs, your actions, and last but not the least, your thoughts are supposed to be extremely strong to get one thing into your life. And self doubt is not supposed to be there. If you have self doubt, it will not work with you. So, in our third day of law of attraction, I'm just telling you only one thing: change your frequency, change your thoughts, change your beliefs, and take action for your dreams and your goals. So, I hope you understood this. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Let's see what are beneficial tips to take this journey more ahead tomorrow. Bye bye. Thank you. If you like it, kindly share it and like it. Bye bye.